morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, there is some awesome new coupons to print that you guys definitely want to go ahead and do it. I am ready to go couponing. I'm going to go to CVS today and Walgreens. I'm still taking it a little bit slow since some of my area is still on lockdown, but you know what? A lot of us, are using up our stockpile. Me, I am not, but I still want to share with you guys deals. So let's just dig in. So they added some Starbucks coffee. You got $2 off, $2 off. The Windex, Scrubbing Bubbles have still been around. Neutrogena, I don't know if those two are new at all. Glade was new from last week. But we have $2 off Aleve. Scrubbing Bubbles still available. Another Scrubbing Bubbles. I'm just gonna skip down Clairton and Allegra. Those have been around for a while. But here we got $1 off a band. I'm gonna print these off because I am not hardly getting any inserts lately. So we got that. $1 off Skintimate. Here we got $4 off Chic Hydro. $1.25 off Crunchmaster. That's an awesome coupon. Now usually when I see a printable Crunchmaster coupon, most likely there's going to be a deal in Ibotta. I'm really hoping to do a Walmart Ibotta deal for you guys sometime soon. But Chic, yes, there's a deal that I want to do at CVS with some Chic. Here we got Sheba, buy one get one free. And then we got Soul by Jergens, Shout, Pine Sol, Pledge. And then here we got another Chic, Aveeno Sun Care, Pine Sol. This is an awesome coupon, you guys, because I think currently there is a deal where if you spend $10 on Listerine, you guys can get 5,000 points, I think. Most likely these are going to be a limit of one coupon, but you guys can stack this with a paper coupon and a digital coupon. $4 off Sheba Portions. I'm going to print that off just in case. I sometimes feed my cat Sheba. But they also added a Lily's chocolate bar. I'm going to print that off just in case. And then the Slow Keto is still available. And then the Neutrogena Healthy Skin. There apparently is an Ibotta deal going on, but my Ibotta doesn't show it. But I already printed one off, and I can use a digital. So those are the new coupons to print. I'm currently going to be printing 10 coupons, you guys. I'm finally excited that there's going to be some decent coupons available to print. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will see you guys later, and goodbye.